All right, everyone wave.
Yeah.
Say hi to the phone.
Hello, phone.
Hi, phone.
Okay.
It looks like he's watching
There's
us.
only 6 markers in here, so.
That's okay.
Oh, all 6 people.
One, three, and three.
Who can raise a silent hand and read our objective for today? Let's give Lena a shot.
We will be able to name the numerator and denominator of a fraction.
Good. Can everyone say after me? Numerator.
Numerator.
Denominator.
Denominator.
We learned about this last week. Let's do a quick review of these terms.
I thought it was two.
Who can read this for me? Chris, go for it.
The number that is on the top of the fraction, the number of parts we have.
Good. So, how many pieces of pizza do we have? Only Chris knows? Nicole? How many pieces of pizza do we have? 3. So the 3 will be on top, which is the numerator. With this, we also have this other term, Monique.
Denominator. The number that is on top of the bottom of the fraction, the number of the part we have all together.
Good. How many do we have all together? Chris?
But the denominator is 4 where we have
And how many do we have?
4. 3 pizzas.
Excellent.
Sorry, camera.
Numerator, what's the number?
3/4.
And the denominator is?
4. 3/4.
Good. How many pieces of pizza do we have?
3. Oh, what's it called?
And the denominator, the number on the bottom, is going to be the total pieces. So it's going to be 3 plus,
3.
how many are missing?
4. 1.
How many
Two,
pieces is
two,
missing?
2. 1.
1. So what's 3 plus 1?
4.
Excellent job. First, let's listen to me. I see that there's 1 colored in. That's my numerator. So I'm going to put 1 on top. But I need to find a number on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is do 1. And how many are not colored in? 1, 2, 3. All together is 1, 2, 3, 4. Raise your hand if you know what this fraction is called. Joe?
4.
Yes, thank you for raising your hand too. This is called 1/4. 1 is the numerator, 4 is the total pieces.
This is 3. 2.
May I tell you something about the fraction?
Monique, you have a comment? Yes.
1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator.
Good. 1 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. Let's try another picture. First things first, who can raise a silent hand and tell me how many pieces are colored in? Mireya? 2. So that's going to be my numerator. That's going to be on top. Who can also raise a silent hand and tell me how many are there all together? Chris?
5.
5. Does anyone have any other answers? Lena? Well, how many pieces? Let's count together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. I'm going to put this here. Who can make a comment or observation why this might not work? 2/3.
Oh.
Why won't this work? Who can make a good sentence? Let's have Monique try.
Because if you had 2/3, then you put 3 and then you color in 2, then but there's 5, so that's why 2 over 3 is not right.
Good. I heard what Monique said. Something that caught my ears was, but there's 5 of them, not 3. There's 3 blank spaces, but there's 5 total.
I know. It's 2/3 because there's 2 shaded and there's 2.
2 is the numerator. And what's the denominator?
3.
5.
Great.
Oh man, I got it wrong. Boo.
All right. Here's a bit of a tricky one.
Oh, don't do this. Oh wow.
Who can raise a silent hand and tell me the numerator of this fraction? Lena? How many are colored in? Who can help Lena find out how many
I can help it.
are colored in? Nicole?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does it go on the top or the bottom? How many pieces are in total? So we're going to count the colored ones and the ones that aren't colored. I haven't heard from Joe in a while, so let's give them a shot. 12. Chris, what do you think?
There's 3 shaded and 3.
How many did you count that were shaded in?
6.
How many were there in total?
12.
Good.
6 plus 6 is 12. There's
Last
shaded.
one. Pretty funny shape.
Yeah. It's a 1 hole. 1 hole. No, I got it. It's not 1 hole. That's 1. Oh,
Monique?
it's 1 and 2.
1/3.
1/3. So what's the numerator?
The numerator is 1 and the denominator is 3.
Good. And Monique got 1 because there's 1 here, and she got 3 on the
But
bottom.
isn't it the 1 hole?
Well, we will be learning about 1 hole pretty soon. 1 hole is the whole thing altogether. If I colored it all purple, that's called 1 hole.
Sorry, I'm gonna heat
Oh,
it
yeah,
up.
no worries. Everyone close their eyes. And one hand out, please. And show me your other side. So flip, flip. Okay, no peeking. And when I put this on your hand, keep your eyes closed.
Like how we open them.
When I say so.
Uh-huh.